So this is the fried dumpling and stewed chicken. I don't even know if I'm allowed to sit here, but I'm gonna sit here until somebody tells me to get up.
10 seconds later.
It's about to go down.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Hey beautiful people, good morning. And once you see me on the road, well, you already read the title, but again, once you see me on the road, you know we're going somewhere today. So anyway, welcome back to Live for the Experience. And today, and as most of y'all know, I live in Barbados. This is a terrible intro, but anyway. So today I decided to go hit up some Jamaican restaurants, and I think it was one of my subscribers that suggested it to me. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna eat we're gonna eat Jamaican food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner today. My mouth is watering. But yeah, anyway, let's go because I'm walking the streets, and I'm sure if anybody's looking through their window right now, they're gonna think I'm crazy. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to subscribe. We'll subscribe now. Hey guys, so we have arrived at our first destination. Yum yum. Hi, you have ackee and saltfish? No, ackee and saltfish today. What else you have? That could. Pardon? Cabbage with saltfish. Cabbage with saltfish. I want something for breakfast. I can get some stewed chicken and fried dumpling. Yeah, and plantain. Yeah. Alright, give me the cereal. Hey y'all, what's goody in the hoodie? As y'all saw, we got some food from Nyam Nyam, and Nyam Nyam, well, Nyam in Jamaica means like eat, but eat. So this is the fried dumpling and stewed chicken. We're gonna give it a taste. Honestly, y'all, I haven't eaten anything. I haven't eaten anything since morning. So I'm like super hungry. Right now I'm sitting at a place called Quayside. I don't even know if I'm allowed to sit here, but I'm gonna sit here until somebody tells me to get up.
10 seconds later.
It's about to go down.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Well, I'm feeling nervous. So I'm sitting like in a restaurant spot, like a Chinese restaurant spot. It's like an open place, but you could see their like menu thing, like their welcome thing right there. Anyway, I just came over here and sat, and it was closed, but they just walked past to open it, and now I'm feeling weird. Like, do I get up? I stopped eating because I'm like so I look a little bit more presentable, like I'm just sitting here waiting for somebody to come, you know. Ah boy, the food was good though. The food was good. But this is how it looks. It's literally a mall with people you could just walk in and eat. Okay, I'm at my second location now, y'all, and it's called Ari Foods, as y'all saw in the little montage. And I'm gonna walk in and we'll see what they have on the menu. Hopefully they have some stuff that I could get for lunch. And this one is in St. Lawrence Gap. These seats are real cute, in the rasta colors and everything. And they got Jamaican patties up in here. So this is the menu, y'all. And I ordered some ackee and saltfish because I didn't get it for breakfast. So I'm gonna get it for lunch. Hey y'all, so I just ordered some ackee and saltfish, as I was saying, and some lemonade because I didn't want any alcohol. And they only had the lemonade and the sorrel as natural juices for today. And I already had sorrel this morning from Nyam Nyam, so I'm gonna have that. But so far I like the ambience. They have AC on the inside just in case I wanted to sit inside. It was tempting, but I felt like I wanted to be on the colorful chairs, and it would be awkward for me to be in there talking to the camera in such a small space. I feel like I would have been talking too loudly and people would have been looking at me. But anyway, we're gonna wait until the food comes, and yeah, we're gonna have some ackee and saltfish and fried breadfruit for lunch. So the lemonade came, and this is what it looks like. It's branded Irie Foods, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna give it a taste because they had it served in a cup as well. Like, ooh. So let's taste. Actually, it tastes like my mother lemonade, not to no lie. And my mom makes some of the best juices ever. Hey y'all, the quick change of meal for lunch because I had ordered ackee and saltfish but they ran out, so I opted for some callaloo instead. And this looks like callaloo and saltfish, and some fried breadfruit, more plantain. This is so hot. And they gave me some saltfish and I don't know what this is, complimentary because they ran out of the ackee. Nice. I haven't had cabbage in so long. Tastes really good. After, you know, when you haven't had something in so long and you taste it again for the first time in a long while and it tastes real good. This is how this cabbage and saltfish is tasting. I'm about to leave Irie Foods, but before I go, I wanted to rate the food because I realized I didn't rate the callaloo and the fried breadfruit. Ooh, customer service was amazing. The guy that served us, he was very polite, very good. Yeah, and the food was good. The callaloo was nice, breadfruit was nice. Wasn't too dry, wasn't tough, nothing. Right amount of tastiness. Wasn't too salty. You know, when you get breadfruit and it's just salty, yeah, that never happened. Time to go home and think about what I'm gonna get for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna get for dinner yet. I'm thinking. I wanted some jerk chicken. I wanted something wholesome like some jerk chicken, or I don't know. I really didn't want to get fish for dinner, but I might have to get fish for dinner. But I wanted something jerked because everybody think about Jamaica, them think about jerk, and I don't want to buy food at the same place twice. So I think I'm gonna try to get something delivered to me at home. I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out in the next clip. Yeah, let's see what happens. Hey y'all, so I'm home now, and as I said earlier, I got the last meal delivered, and this is from Chef Fix. Oh, I'm so high, I need to open the door. But anyway, I ordered Escovitch fish and roast breadfruit. Didn't get no jerk chicken, but in the next clip I'm gonna put a restaurant that I went to that offered jerk chicken, and I had done a little clip on it, but I just didn't find a video to put it in, so you could see jerk chicken in the next like random, like it's probably just called bonus footage from a Jamaican restaurant that I got jerk chicken from. But anyway, for dinner we're having Escovitch fish, and y'all, they delivered it, and I was like, sure this is mine, because this thing is hella big. Like, what? It was 27 Belgian dollars. I should have put the prices of the stuff. If I remember the prices, then I'll put it on the screen. Smells really good. Oh my god, bruh. if there's something called presentation, this beat Irie Foods by a far, because Irie Foods food had looked really good, but this, bruh, this is a whole lot of food. You know how people would probably fit this in one little lunchbox, bruh? They put it in a whole baking pan. Look, check out the vegetable and the roast breadfruit, the Escovitch fish, and some saucy sauce right here. Let's open the sauce to see what it is. Oh, it's some extra. I don't know what we call this, but my aunts make it a lot when she does fish. It's like super spicy, but it tastes so good at the same time. And the salad is so fresh. Check the lettuce and the carrot out. Oh my god. Doesn't even look like he got no cabbage in there, so I don't have to worry about it getting sour. Y'all, I wish y'all could smell this through the phone. Let me take a picture of it before I dig in. Taste test. Right, sometimes you know, oh, you have to eat roast breadfruit with little water because it will choke you easy. I'm gonna cut off a little piece. Nice, soft. You know when roast breadfruit just soft and just melts in your mouth. And the fish though, don't try the topping on the, I'm not even a big fan of onion, but the others look good. The others look good, I'm gonna just eat the onion because it does look like it have to eat. Piece of scotch bonnet and the little extra sauce that they gave us. Let's try the fish. Sister girl, and this is a snapper. I think this is a snapper. I'm gonna dip it. Piece of onion come up. Well, this gotta be the #1 meal for today. Hands down. But tell me what's 2 and 3 for you. This is #1 for me. I can't decide between the other two, so let me know your ranking of based on all the food you saw today. What's 1, 2, and 3 for you? Bone never stuck in your throat yet, because when bone stuck in a people's throat, I lamp powder out. I like how they put the salad in the foil so that the fish gravy don't run all over it. Yeah. But instead of having y'all watch me eat, we're gonna end the video right here. Oh yeah, stay tuned for the little clip from the jerk center. Well, not the jerk center. They might have a jerk center like me, they won't. But the clip from the jerk place I had went to, it's called Reggie's Jerk. Reggie's real Jamaican jerk. Yeah, I had went there a few months ago, and again I went there twice. So you probably see 2 separate clips, me collecting food and something else. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for living for the experience with me today, and yeah, joining me in eating some Jamaican food in Barbados. It's been a really long while since I've had like Jamaican food for the entire day. Like I've steamed fish and stuff like that, but I wouldn't like indulge in a lot of cooking off Jamaican foods that Jamaica is recognized for. So yeah, it was nice to do all of this today, and yeah, it was fun. But anyway, I'll catch you all in the next video, hopefully Wednesday or Saturday. But anyway, bye. And if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. Bye.